Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and product review in Mihai's Tech Tip channel. For today we are going to unbox the Miboxer C8 Smart Charger. I have to say that this is one of the best and the most compatible charger I can find in Amazon at a reasonable price. What do I mean by compatible? That you can put different type of batteries to recharge, even lithium and so on. Without no further ado, let's open it and see what we can find inside. As soon as you open the box, the very first thing you can identify is a user manual that is in 4 different languages: English, Dutch, and Chinese and Korean if I'm not mistaken, in which you can find all the instructions necessary to operate the device. On the left side in here, we're gonna find the charger. That is a 110 charger. Alright, it's a 110, okay, and the normal output. On this side, nothing else, just a cardboard and the charger itself, which is the main part of this kit. Right, so you find 8 batteries that you can recharge at the same time, and not only that, you can recharge any type of battery that are listed, and some of them that are not actually listed as well. And without no further ado, let's connect it to the power and see how it actually works. Alright guys, so now we're gonna connect this power plug into this side here. As soon as you're gonna do that, you're gonna have an automatic display that is gonna turn on and turn off when you are not using. So it's gonna save power, and actually not only save power, but save the device itself. So let's start using different batteries. I have, for example, here 2 AA batteries from Amazon Basics. Let's put this one in and see how do they work. In order to put the batteries, you're just gonna slide this, and it's a metallic with an arc, something that, or a spring that is gonna put it back to place. Okay, you put the polarities, and automatically has a chip on board that is gonna detect the current, it's gonna detect the voltage, how much the battery has juice inside of it. One of the things that I do is, if you hold the button mode and then click on the button mode, you can put a lower amperage, and like that it's gonna take longer to charge, which is true, but it's gonna charge the battery in milliamps a lot more than before. You have as well the resistance. You're gonna be able to see the resistance, the capacity, the voltage, and so on. In here it's gonna give you like types of batteries that is being recharging. I'm gonna put this one as well in here to see if it works. You can see that automatically it changes from C1 to C2, that means the second battery, and the same like before, I can hold the mode button and I can select the amperage just by pressing that button. If you click the slot, now you can see that you can navigate between battery 1 and 2. But okay, why do I say that this is one of the most compatible products? I say, let's say that you have a battery that is on 21865. These are batteries that you can salvage from laptop batteries or from electrical screwdrivers, and you can actually use them. These are lithium-ion batteries, and look at this, guys. As soon as you put the battery, you can see that it has all the space necessary. It's gonna give you the capacity of the battery, it's gonna give you the voltage, and you can hold the mode button. You can even select the current that you want to put inside each of the batteries. And at the end, it's gonna give you as well here the amperage, it's gonna give you the resistance, and so on. But okay, is this the only battery that I can put here to recharge? Of course not. I'm gonna use, for example, let's say that I have an 18650, which are the most common one used by many electricians or people that are doing robotics projects and so on. This one also has been salvaged from a dead battery. And look, as soon as you put it inside, it's gonna start the detecting process. It's gonna give you the capacity, it's gonna give you the voltage. It automatically this one automatically chooses the current that it should give to each of the batteries. So that's another amazing thing, and you'll be able to see the time that has lapsed since you connect the battery and how many milliamps it actually recharge. But let's say that I have these very tiny batteries that you normally find in like remote controls and so on. Can we put this one? Of course. So I can even recharge 2 of these batteries at the same time, And just like before, you can see that this one is going to be the 5th and the 6th. They're automatically detected. The same, you have the capacity and so on. One of the best thing about this is that it doesn't get hot. I have had different chargers in the previous years that all of them, they were really getting like super hot and super easy. With this one, with the current, it's actually a lot easier to recharge and to use it for different type of batteries. So what can I say, Miboxer, you have my thumbs up for this product. It's an amazing product I've been using, and I hope that you guys like it as well. If you need a charger for batteries that can recharge multiple batteries at the same time, that can recharge them fast or easier, and you can actually recharge the complete capacities of each of these batteries. Alright, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to put me a thumbs up if you like the video and to subscribe to my channel for further videos. Until next time guys, have a wonderful day and take care of yourselves. Ciao ciao.